Hi, I'm Richard Carlton, and in this video I want to show you what you're going to get when you upgrade from FileMaker 9 to the current version, FileMaker 13. There are a ton of improvements to the FileMaker platform from FileMaker 9 to 13. I've been in the business for 24 years now, and I'm even certified all the way back to version 9. Version 9 was a good product, but it's really out of date. So first off, if you consider your information in your FileMaker database important to your business, you really should consider upgrading to FileMaker 13 as soon as possible. And let me tell you why. FileMaker 13 has been radically improved underneath the hood and gives you a great deal many more capabilities than you've ever had before. First off, it has greatly improved point-to-point encryption as you access your database across the network. In this day and age where hackers are trying to get into your systems or the government is actually watching your activities, having a highly secured database with 256-bit level encryption is very important. FileMaker 13 offers point-to-point encryption as well as the brand new Encryption at Rest capability where it actually encrypts the FileMaker file itself as it resides on the user's machine or on the actual FileMaker server itself. This provides complete encryption from the FileMaker file itself all the way across the wire to the user's machine where they're actually accessing it. The FileMaker 13 platform, it's actually designed to be much faster across the internet. Through versions 10, 11, and 12, through each version of the product, FileMaker has optimized the network communication between FileMaker Client and FileMaker Server, improving the performance of the communication. You'll notice a tremendous performance improvement going from version 9 to version 13. In version 13, you have the option of redesigning your layouts using new themes and styles. If you build with new themes and styles, you can actually make your layouts run as much as twice as fast as they did previously. Now this is optional, but if you take the time to do this, you're going to make your layouts download from the server to the clients twice as fast as they did previously. That's on top of all the other performance improvements that are built in the product. Starting with FileMaker 12 and improved with 13 is built-in high-speed digital document management. This means that in any database that you have, you can actually store PDFs, Word files, any critical sort of documents that are important to your business can be stored within the database and on the FileMaker server. Now this was possible back in FileMaker 9 and 10 and 11, but the performance was really bad. So if you want to take advantage of digital document management, that right there is a good enough reason to upgrade to 13. My team of 25 engineers uses digital document management every day to organize and run our company. On top of that, by upgrading to 13, you can now access your database with an iPhone or iPad. Now this initially came out with FileMaker 11, but this capability has been radically improved with the release of the 13 platform. And along the way, there's all sorts of additional capabilities. There's built-in charting. There's the new slide control capability. There's popovers. There's this new capability called script triggers, which are fantastic for automating your layout and getting your work done much faster and much simpler. And on top of it all, FileMaker Server 13 is much smarter and much faster than it used to be. And so once again, performance and stability improvements have been first and foremost in FileMaker's mind. In fact, in FileMaker 13 Server, there's a new capability called WebDirect, which replaces the old instant web publishing, which is really not that great of a capability. But WebDirect is truly awesome, and it's something else to check out. And last but not least is FileMaker support. If you have any sort of problems with your database, FileMaker is not going to support you because your database is too old and out of date. If your database becomes corrupted, or it can't be opened because you lose a password or some other issue, you're going to be out of luck, and FileMaker is not going to be able to help you. So if you want FileMaker to stand behind you in your database, and if you want to benefit from all the great security improvements and capabilities, then I strongly urge you to consider upgrading to the FileMaker 13 platform.